Okay friends, to get started on this motor mount, you're going to need to get underneath the back side of your engine. So now the next thing we're going to do is carefully put a jack right underneath the transmission. We want to just barely put a tiny bit amount of pressure so it's holding it. And then we're going to come over here and we're going to remove this bolt. Next, what we need to do is remove these 3 mounting bolts. There we are. There's our mount. Okay friends, now it's time to get our brand new mount inside there. Slide it right in here. So at this point you can tell that nothing's really lined up. Essentially, if you were to just go ahead and push on your engine a little bit, you're going to be able to maneuver it so that it will. Let's go ahead and remove that jack.